everyone, welcome back to Bougie Doll Life. My name is Katrina and today we have a Reborn box opening and I'm so excited. This is my birthday doll, one of my birthday dolls. I have another doll that's coming. It's not a Reborn doll, but one of the dolls I wanted for my birthday was a Reborn doll from Amazon, and I think he's so cute, and I hope it's a boy, so I hope he's just as cute as his pictures, because he's supposed to be like a baby kind of toddler type of doll, and I wanted Lyric to have like a boy like around the same size as her. So I ended up ordering a doll on Prime Day, which I got him for a really good deal on Prime Day. So I will link him down below, like how you could get him on Amazon. So let's go ahead and get straight into it. Open this box. The box open right here, and when you open him, oh, you can see everything because it's a clear bag. So I'm going to take him straight out the box right here. Put the box to the side. So if you could tell by this part right here, you probably know who I got already. So let's go ahead and zip the bag. He comes in this nice bag that has stars on it and it has like a blue bow. Super cute. I really like this bag. I would reuse this because it has like a zippy, so I would reuse it for stuff, you know, and recycle. And then it comes with this extra bag. So the extra bag says Doll Reborn on it right here. Usually they used to come in these bags by themselves, but I guess they decided to add the bag inside of a bigger bag, I guess. So I love that. And then he comes with a little package. So let's see what's inside the little package. It has like a little diaper right here with little bunnies and teddy bears on it. Super cute. I love that. I have diapers already for my Reborn dolls, or my Reborn like dolls. And he comes with this bottle. I'm not really a fan of this bottle. I like the realistic looking ones, but whatever. I'd probably just end up like putting it as like a little stationary thing on my shelf, like a cute little thing to have as decor in my room, in my doll room. So he comes with this white binky, and I love this because it's just basic white, and I like that because it's kind of gender neutral, so I can use it for the girls or the boys. So I really do like this. So next we're gonna get into the doll. So he also comes with a little birth certificate that you can fill out. I actually fill these out. I have a little folder where I have like all like the birth certificates, COAs, everything inside of a little folder, because I like to remember their names and when I got them. And when you're watching this, I'm recording this on my birthday, but I wanted to open this doll before I get ready to go out. So yeah, I'm super excited for this baby, and I'm gonna fill this out for him because he's born on my birthday. So that makes me really happy. So let's go ahead and see the doll. So let's go ahead and pull him out. Oh my god, he's so cute. Oh, he's so cute. Okay, let me show you guys him. So this is his outfit, and he is a biracial Liam scope. So he's like the African American or biracial Liam scope, and he's so cute. He comes with a really cute little outfit that I like a lot. He has shoes that says baby on the front. Super cute. Let's see his feet, because they were showing in pictures like details of him. And oh, look at his feet. Oh my gosh, look at the tipping on his feet. Looks really good, and I love that. Let me see his legs. I always have to look at the legs because I like to see how they do it. So he has like mottling on him. He's so cute, and he has a little bit of weight to him. He feels like a little more weighted than my other babies, and he's so cute. So let's go ahead and get a look at his outfit. So he is wearing pants that are super cute, and I really do like this. I did get an outfit for him in Burlington because I like my dolls to be like in PJs most of the time, so I found him like a cute little set. So let's go ahead and open it. So when you open his jacket, his shirt says Mommy's Little Monster, and it's a little onesie, and it's so cute. And then his jacket says RAR on it with the exclamation point, and it's an actual hoodie, guys, with a monster on the back. That is so cute. So let's go ahead and have a look at his face. Hold on, first let's look at his hands. So his hands are really nice. This is how his hands are, and this is the other hand. So cute. I love how they did him. Let me make sure he doesn't have any staining. So he looks really good. He doesn't have any staining from the clothes, because sometimes dark clothes on the Reborn dolls are kind of harsh, and you know, it could stain your vinyl doll. So let's go ahead and get a closer look at this hair, because that's what I really want to look at. So he has curly hair. It's gonna need a little bit of work outside of the box because he's been in a box, so he has that box hair, but he has a lot of it, and I plan on giving him kind of like a braid hairstyle. So other than that, he's so cute. Look at his face, and then look at his little teeth at the bottom. He has like 4 little teeth, so adorable, and I absolutely love that. And look at the rooting of his hair. He has a lot of hair. This is his hair in the back, and yeah, he has a lot of hair, and I love that. He's super cute. He has really long lashes. I probably would cut the lashes down because they're pretty spidery to me. He's the first baby I got that has like pretty long spidery lashes. So what I'm gonna end up doing is just cutting down his lashes to where it looks more baby-like than more like kind of like he has a full face of makeup. But yeah, I absolutely love it. I love his eyebrows. He looks so cute. And I love his rooting and his hair color, and he's just so handsome. So this is my new reborn baby, and the name that I'm going to give to him is Jalen. So his name's going to be Jalen, and then his nickname's going to be Jay, and he's going to be cute with Lyric, and him and Lyric are almost the same size. He's just a little bit smaller. I think he's like 21 inches, but I might make him bigger using like Bountiful Baby Body and restuff him. But for now, he's going to be 21 inches, and he's so cute, and I just love the way he looks. So you guys, meet Jalen, and thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Say bye, Jalen. Bye.